Hello, student parents. Do you need a place to study without distractions? Join us at the barn. Academic and Tutoring Services is providing a free in-person study space. At that space, we will provide free childcare for potty-trained children ages 3 and older, internet access, use of a tablet to talk with Lane tutors online, and Eugene Public Librarian help. This will be provided on Saturdays for the rest of the term from 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. at Peterson Barn Community Center. We will have 8 to 10 spots available each hour, and we can have as many as 8 children at a time. Sign up for up to 2 spots per Saturday at lanecc.mywconline.com. Then select the Saturday Parent Study Support. Don't worry, we will have COVID safety protocols in place. Everyone must be free of symptoms, and masks are required at Peterson Barn. Masks will be provided for anyone who needs one. Let me show you a little bit about how to sign up for the support at lanecc.mywconline.com. First, make sure you have registered for an account. If you have worked with us in the last year, you are already registered. Use that sign-in information. For most people, the sign-in will be your Lane email address and your password. Make sure online tutoring is selected. Then click Login. Move or scroll your screen down to Saturday. There you will see the Saturday Parent Study Support. Decide when you want to visit. Do you want to come at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock? Click on the beginning of the hour when you want to visit. That will bring up a new pop-up screen where you're going to type your name in the client box and then choose how long you want to come. You can come for 1 hour or 2 hours. If you want to come for longer than an hour, click the down arrow and select the time for up to 2 hours. Down here, you don't need to choose any subjects. Except computer. That will make sure you get computer support. If you plan on bringing children, please tell us how many children you will bring. I will have 2 children. And for the course, you can just say Parent Study. We don't really care. You're not going to have to use Zoom to get into this, so you can select any of these options. It doesn't matter. Then click Create Appointment, and it will send an email to you about your appointment time. If you decide that you also want to work with a tutor during this time, decide what tutor you want to work with for what subject, and then select that appointment block. Many of our tutors on Saturdays can speak more than one language, so it might be useful for you to click on their boxes so you can see the languages that they speak in case you'd like to speak something other than English. That's about it. We hope to see you soon at Peterson Barn Community Center. Thank you.